everyone, this is Julie HR. Today we're going to go over the new hire welcome kit. And essentially it is a new hire welcome kit that contains a welcome letter. It gives your first day agenda. It gives your orientation schedule. And it also gives you a new hire paperwork checklist. It's something that you want to send out to your employees along with their new hire paperwork. Now this, you can just email it to them. You can mail it to them. It's in Word and it's also in Google Docs. It's very simplistic. I've had a lot of people say, Julie, I really like your new hire packet, but can I just get the letter, the first, 6 pages? And I'm like, yeah, that's no problem. So we're just going to take a really quick look at it. You can see here's the welcome letter from HR. Of course, you can edit that, your first day schedule. It talks about a little bit about the core values, one core value, the second one, the third, and whatnot. And it just kind of welcomes the employee to the team. It's a great addition to any, when a new hire's hired, to send this to them. It makes them feel, you definitely want to make them feel very special. So as we go, and we'll look at this in just a second. This will be a really quick video, but I just wanted to show it to you. As mentioned, it has 6 pages. It has 2 formats, key first day information, and that's important. Employees on their first day, they want to know where to park, they want to know the dress, they want to know the hours, all that good stuff. That's in here. And it's 6 pages. Right here, there's just like an intro sheet. You may want to put your actual maybe logo on it or whatnot, but that is up to you. You can also change this green. It's very easy in Word. As mentioned, the welcome letter, it creates a strong first impression and it communicates essential first day details, helps new employees feel prepared. And that's what you want to do in your organization. There's a section. Here's the kind of the new hire welcome letter cover. I call it a new hire. I call it a kit because it does have 6 pages and it does have the orientation and whatnot. And it's just not a letter. So you can see the first day info, parking, identification, orientation, dress code, and has the agenda, and it has like the actual 9 o'clock, 9:30 and whatnot, which is what's going to go on so employees can be prepared. Also, this is a new hire paperwork checklist. I would encourage a lot of people, do a lot of their new hire, information is inputted into a system. However, if you do not, and you have actual paperwork, I would include this new hire kit and include the new hire paperwork along with an employee handbook. Page 6, point of contacts. That's very important. When an employee is brought on, they may have some questions about their computer, security. They may need to talk to an actual HR resource or whatnot. It just depends on their particular position. So very simplistic kit. Word and Google Docs is mentioned. And as mentioned, I'm going to show you it right here. It's easy to edit. This is in a text box. And so is that one. These are not. Just click through and you can see the orientation first day. Easy read, great thing to have. Send to your employees and make them feel very valued. Please be sure to like this video but more importantly, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notifications because I'm going to be sending a lot of new videos out, and I really appreciate everything that everyone and the feedback that I get from all of you. So support my work and hit subscribe and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. It is Friday. Thank you so much for all you do. Take care.